I like to dey work with live band because anytime when I resume, I know say it's my time for me to go and save life. Whether na woman wey dey born pikin or na person wey get accident, I know say yes, I go save that person life anytime wey dem call us for blood. Since 2018, I have been working with live band and we save over 4,000 lives. One woman born pikin for hospital, and after she did born the pikin, she come dey bleed for hospital. They come call live band. When they quick deliver the blood, the woman did not die. The most scariest trip I don't ever do for live band, I mean, around 2 a.m. then call me for order to go and deliver blood. On my way going to that place, so armed robber now attacked me on the road, thinking I was carrying money. So people were there around there, they can't help me. As they help me finish, then I still rush, go deliver the blood, and I save the person's life. My name is Samson Sunday, the head of this fire rider, Live Bank Abuja. A very big thank you, Live Bank, for bringing this platform where would they save people life.